Our new TIG welder is just delivered by UPS. The box looks fine. No holes or anything in it. The model is a HBT-2000 ProSD. And it's just delivered by UPS. They gave us a warning, like a 5-minute heads up, along with a map we could follow while it was being delivered. This is great because when you're spending money on, or you're getting something like this, to be able to be there and make sure, I didn't have to sign for it, but just to be able to make sure the box is okay and it's not half hanging out of the box was fantastic. I really like that about UPS. It's the first time I've ever seen that. Time to begin the unboxing of the HBT-2000ProSD. That's the version we got of the, don't know how to pronounce this name, TIG welder, but you see on the side it also says Hzxvogen.com, so I'm assuming that the HPT part of this model is Hzxvogen TIG 200 Pro. It's a fairly sturdy box. Put it on the floor and begin the unpacking. This is what the inside of the box looks like. We have the power cord adapter, 115 to 220. Manual. Stick TIG torch. Grounding clamp. Hose with 2 clamps. Loose screw. Looks like it came right here. TIG welding torch in a bag. There's some consumables in here as well. TIG torch. Bag has 26, TIG 26 4M, which stands for 4 meters. 26 torch. I was expecting a 17, maybe even a 9, since this is only 160 amp. Gas multiple position connection. That's because this has multiple all the positions as you can adjust up and down, start and stop with this. And it has the little bit of a ball socket here for turning. One of the reasons we got this torch as well is because it has this kind of a, you don't have a pedal. When you're underneath or you're away from a position where you can just work at a table, you can raise and lower, start and stop. Because the torch comes with this 5-pin connector to be controlled by the handle, I would think you might be able to actually hook up a foot pedal to this if you wanted to. Inside the bag there are some consumables. No tungsten, no tungsten, but that's to be expected. Or I didn't expect it, I should say. Okay, screw. And out of here, doesn't seem to be stripped, it's just loose. It's the front of the unit. It's very light, rather small. The back of the unit. It says 110/220, which is good, and then there's information on the top about the electronics. There's a warning label on the top as well. All in all, nice little unit. We'll get into more of this when we actually use the unit.